Oh. So we've just arrived at Bitterpan. We're going to quickly go show you our accommodation, and then later we'll show you the kitchen when they finish cleaning. So we're in number 4. This is our toilet and shower.
And this is the room.
Number 4, the end one. Nice and cozy. And then Bitterpan. You've got the water hole just here, and then the pan. And then we're the very end one, and we came in along this road. Oh, here is the communal kitchen. You each get a fridge, freezer, and then there is 2 ovens, sinks, and Jill.
Hello.
Prepping our Nando's.